Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix App Store not showing up on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to look for the App Store on your home screen or apps, you do not find the App Store on your iPhone iOS 26, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply use the search bar here, and here you have to look for the App Store, and here you have to simply look for the App Store. And if you do not find App Store from here, then you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to App Library, and here you have to look for the hidden section, and you have to provide your Face ID so that you can simply check for the hidden apps. So if you do not find the hidden apps, App Store even in the hidden apps, then you can simply search for the App Library, and here you have to search for the App Store, and here you can simply find the App Store is still not available on your iPhone iOS 26, even if you are going to search for it. So you have to simply go to settings here. So here you can simply look for the settings. So in settings, you have to simply search for again App Store, and you have to look for any option is available for the App Store or not. So here you can simply see that only iTunes Store and Book Store is available, and App Store is not available. So if you want to use the App Store and it is not showing up on your screen, then there is also another visibility that you have turned on the content and privacy restriction on your iPhone iOS 26, which is not allowing you to use the App Store on your iPhone iOS 26. So for this, you have to simply look for the screen time here. So here you can simply click on that, and after that, you have to look for the content and privacy restrictions, so that you can click on that. And here you can simply find, if you turn this toggle on, then you will not be able to use the App Store, and all other options are uh, restricted for you. So if you turn on this feature, so you have to make sure that you have turned on off this feature. For this, you have to make sure that you have you know the screen time passcode. So you have to simply provide the screen time passcode, and after providing the screen time passcode, you have to wait for some seconds, and after that you can simply see that the App Store is now available on your app home screen, and it is available to use for you on your iPhone iOS 26. So in this way you can simply fix for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.